I'm Dave Stevens. I'm the coordinator for the packing department for AW Fraser's. I've been working here for 6 years. My main responsibility is coordinating everybody so everything's getting done on time, so it goes out on time. Day-to-day running of the factory is I go to the old factory, pick up the truck with all the finished parts and bring them over here, then we pack them and then we send them all over the world. The packing department runs just very well oiled. We just run as a big team here. We've all got our own responsibilities, packing, loading containers, getting parts off trucks and all that, so it's a pretty busy day some days. The best part about working for AW Fraser is the team I've got here working for me now, and what we do. The workload we do is pretty heavy, which I enjoy, working heavy stuff, and timelines is all good. So getting into the product, a nice product to the customers is always good.